Unlocking the meaning of Restoration Project. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have come across in various contexts: Restoration Project. We'll break down its meaning, look at some examples, and understand why it's more than just a combination of two words. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about the phrase, this video is for you. Restoration refers to the act of returning something to its original condition or state, often after it has been damaged or deteriorated. This could involve repairing, cleaning, or rebuilding. Project, on the other hand, signifies a planned endeavor or task, usually involving a series of steps to achieve a specific goal. When combined, Restoration Project refers to a planned effort aimed at returning something to its former condition or better. It often involves detailed planning, resources, and a dedicated team working towards the restoration goal. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. 1. Historical buildings. Restoring ancient castles, churches, or houses to preserve cultural heritage. 2. Artwork. Repairing and cleaning paintings, sculptures, or manuscripts that have deteriorated over time. 3. Natural habitats. Rehabilitating forests, rivers, or wildlife areas that have been affected by pollution or human activity. 4. Vehicles. Refurbishing old cars, trains, or ships to their original glory. Each of these examples underscores the broad applicability of the term and highlights how restoration projects can vary in scope and focus. Restoration projects hold significant value for various reasons. They preserve cultural heritage, ensuring that future generations have a link to the past. They also protect biodiversity, restoring natural habitats to their original state. Moreover, these projects can revitalize communities, turning dilapidated buildings into vibrant centers of activity. Understanding the purpose and impact of restoration projects can deepen our appreciation for these endeavors. We hope this exploration of Restoration Project has illuminated its meaning and significance. These projects are crucial for preserving our past, safeguarding our environment, and enhancing our communities. Next time you hear about a restoration project, you'll understand the dedication and effort behind returning something to its former beauty or function. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Remember, every word and phrase has a story, and we're here to uncover them together. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.